Delight baba gutwara umuroberio bwo kworokia ebyewa kurwase aborokiwa umuroberio manyekanete buna Funday asaborokia baba wesoke na kworokia ebyewa byabo ebyo babwate ukwana chinga kyecho nigo aborokia baba kokerege tamkirekyo na watani babegete mirobire mikranu yogosira umuroberio OCBC asibaruro kuboya ucyasaba iboli kweneke bunango sira bare umuroberio yo nabo yigo kweneke buna abana bonse bakire ase chiskuru eryo kwenyorera chisemi muri keito dipo nasanya norboti urwaso wime
unenchereyemo yogo kinia ebyegwa ao inseyo muroberio OCBC aborokiwa korwase skuru ya Little Angels Delight nigo batwara omuroberio ywe ase okwegokia.
My name is Winnie Gekonge. I'm a president at Little Angels Delight School Mosocho, and today it's on Friday, but our school has decided to have a fun day and we have some recreational activities.
My name is Magdalene Mora and I come from Little Angels Delight School. I'm in grade 5. I like to learn, but the most important thing is just enjoying yourself and having some free time. Like today we have had fun since morning and I've participated in some activities like catwalking and dancing.
My name is Fabrigas Odiamo. I am a deputy president in Little Angels Delight School Mosocho. Today we were having fun day. This helps us to improve our talents and it will help us in other activities.
I would like you to join us next time for entertainment again, which is called Fun Day to us.
Ense mona yue nigo aborokia bagenderete gusegeta ebyegwebyo eliogo kinia aborokiwa.
Leo tuko na siku ya matumbuizo ambayo watoto wanajiburudisha almaarufu Fun Day. We like the CBC curriculum because it exposes our learners to varied talents and it also gives them an opportunity to be able to explore other areas apart from bookwork.
La Fun Day kuna mambo mengi, inasaidia watoto kukua pamoja na talent zao pia zinakuwa kwa vizuri.
Inseyo boteneri bwe skuru ya iga nigo anene banyara kwerera obuyabu amaigiri ya iga nabo igo anene asokumerekera omuroberio OCBC.
Ngomogoko igo CPC nigo rasabana bonsi kenyengima na naze skuru eto ntubwate amangana masomo nigo bali mutu amangana CPC nigo bali mutu na amangana talents. Rero Fun Day askuru chonsa tuchasangerikane ya Mosocho asubate nyangena Nyamataru na Mosocho.
Just come to celebrate the fun activities of the day as Little Angels Delight Schools. So in Little Angels Delight Schools we normally have these activities once a term. These activities enable our learners to nurture the talents that they have, apart from the classwork that we normally do.
Skuru eto nige bwate bintu muna chi computer, nige somya mangana French, nige somya bintu ao no nyen swimming pool ne binte binge, tuwabalikani ase Little Angel monyora masoma maya bana wetu bakonye, egere bagendere mutu ili kesho wache kujisaidia maishani.
Gusanga negetaseni Kiandizi TV omo director moke we skuru ye Gashel Mitnyatichi nigo anyara gwakera ekoko omuroberio yiga na kubulia baibulie koena na aborokiwa eli banyore chisemi.
Una momaite CBC is all about promoting talents na abilities chiabana. Ebintu mbia chabiga chenchi bono masomo bantu mbari ko ba first bona kare chi talent chiri chiabana na bo chiko bakonya. Eskuri ete gotoka Nyangena Nyamataro ende atoka Mosocho Gastore na ande momaite mwensinga eskuri ete is the best overall in Kisii County because togo promote CBC as a whole na ande tuabere toko abana baito resources that are required ko promote mutaalamu oyo moya OCBC. In terms of language policy, igotore number 1 in Kisii County. Abana baite bago kwane bisongo bire fluent from playgroup as to junior secondary.
Ukinkulipotele Ndizi TV kurwase skuru ya Little Angels Delight yugo toka chinsemo cha Mosocho ward ya Bogisero ebunga ya Kitutu Chache South rietalia ne Dipon Asanya.